so excited to do this video for you today. We just got our new glitters in from Shadowsense, and they're two staples. Mocha Java and Sandstone Pearl have now become glitters, and it has like rocked my world. It's amazing. Let me give you a nice little close-up of these. I am obsessed with both of them, and I am like praying, please, 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 Shadowsense World, please make these not limited. I am obsessed with both of these colors. Today I'm going to do Mocha Java glitter on my lid along with a couple other Shadowsense colors, so stay tuned and watch how I got this look. Alright, let's get started. I'm just going to go over really quick what colors I'm going to be using today. These are all going to be Shadowsense Shadowsense, so I'm going to be using a lot of them. Don't kill me. But they're all necessary and they're all beautiful. So, alright, so we're just going to start off with our base on our eyes, and that's going to be Sandstone Pearl. And again, this is kind of what I use for my base every single time. I love Candlelight, but it's just a little bit too peachy for me. So sometimes I mix the Sandstone Pearl in with the Candlelight if I want the full coverage that Candlelight has to offer, because it's a little bit of a thicker consistency, and I think that's why people use it so much to cover up their imperfections around their eyes, their dark circles. You can even use it for blemishes and other areas on your face. But it just tends to go just a touch peachy on me. So Sandstone Pearl is another great option. Okay, so I just have my base down, and now I'm going to go in with my transition, which is going to be Mocha Java. And this is a great color. It's a great brown. It's really soft and neutral, and it just pretty much looks good on everyone. I use this color all the time. And I'm just going to swipe this back and forth right in my crease and a little bit higher on my brow bone. And this is just going to create a really nice, pretty transition for me for all the other colors that I have in store. Now, if you don't feel it's too dark, you can always deepen it up. It's totally up to you, whatever you prefer. So for the rest of this video, I'm probably just going to show you one eye for time, you know, just to save on some time. But I did want to explain to you one thing really quickly while I'm doing my transition on this eye. This eye that I have is hooded, and a lot of women actually have this problem. This eye is normal and this eye is more hooded. So I have to make sure that I match up. So I start off with this eye, and then I have to make sure that I match. So I go actually higher on this eye than I do over here when it comes to my crease and my transitions and things, just so I make sure that that color really shows up when I open my eyes. So if you have a hooded eye, that's what you want to do. You want to bring your color higher on your brow bone, and that will help you out. Okay, so the next color that I'm going to go in with is Garnet. And this is a gorgeous, warm, rich, chocolatey brown, and it is absolutely stunning. So I'm going to go in first with a flat, sorry, I should be showing you my brushes. Just a flat, kind of fluffy brush. And then I'm going to use a smaller fluffy brush to be a little bit more precise as I bring it into my eye. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my brush, not a lot. I do not want a lot of product on there because this is so dark. If you ever think you have too much product on your brush, you can always just gently brush some off on your hand. Sometimes I think I get too much and I actually don't get enough, so that's okay too. And I'm just gonna take this into my crease and then down around to contour the edge of my eye to deepen this up. Now these flat, fluffier brushes are really nice because you can get really deep into that crease without getting a ton of other area on your eye. So I always start nice and light so that I create a nice outline that I can follow, because that way I don't go berserk and get dark shadow all over my face. Now I'm just using that smaller fluffy brush so that I can just be a little bit more precise, since the color's starting to get a little bit deeper and darker and more rich. And I'm just gonna go in with a clean, fluffy brush, one that's a little bigger, and I'm gonna start blending out some of these edges. That's already looking like so stinking gorgeous. Okay, so the next color that I'm gonna go in with is Candied Cocoa Shimmer. It's like a beautiful cocoa mauve-y brown color. It's gorgeous. So I'm gonna go in with a flat shader brush and just get the lid of my eye. This is just gonna give me like a super pretty base for all of that Mocha Java glitter to kind of adhere to. Okay, so while that sets, I'm just gonna go back in with my Garnet on that smaller fluffy brush. And I'm just going to get the underside of my lash line. Okay, so now I'm gonna put on the Mocha Java glitter. This is our limited edition glitter colors. I am praying they make these permanent. I think I say that about every one because I hate losing a color, but it's so pretty. So I'm just gonna put this all over my lid where I put the, oh my gosh, I already see it. So the Mocha Java is like a beautiful cocoa color with warm gold glitter. And less is more, guys. Don't just keep packing it on. Make sure you tap it off on your brush like I am on the wand. You don't want a ton of product on there because you don't want to hide all of that glitter. And I am just gently going back and forth on my lid. And I am just like revealing all of this beautiful, beautiful glitter. And I'm gonna let that set, and then I'll probably add a little bit more glitter because that's just not enough. All right, and I'm just gonna go in with a clean, fluffy brush And I'm just gonna kind of swipe back and forth and just kind of reveal this glitter even more. I mean, for real. That was a really low voice. Did anyone catch that? It kind of scared me a little. All right, that's beautiful. Done. I gotta stop touching it. Done. Okay. All right, let me just get the inner corners of my eyes. I'm just going to use a little bit of snow. I don't want this too heavy. I just want to brighten the inner corners of my eye up a little bit. And I'm kind of being a little careful because I don't want to get up into that glitter. Just blend that out. And then I'm just going to take some Sandstone Pearl Shimmer. And I am going to add a highlight underneath my brow. So I'm just going to take a little bit on that same little white fluffy brush that I used for the inner corner of my eye. And I am just going to highlight that brow. Just kind of blend that in. And blend it down into that transition color. And just make it be seamless. Okay, so I always do my eyes before I do my concealer. So I'm just going to mix some light and white concealer together and brighten up this area of my eye and then finish the rest of my face. I do this in case I happen to be sloppy and I go like outside the area of my eye that I want my eyeshadow to be in. And then that way I can clean it up a bit. So and I'm just gonna mix them on my finger. And then kind of put it underneath my eye and up. Let that warm up. If I have any left, I may go down my nose, may like just right here on my eyebrow to clean things up a bit. Who knows? All right, I'm back and now I'm gonna use Onyx as my eyeliner. And I'm just gonna use a nice little angled skinny little brush to apply that. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my eye pencil in black and I'm gonna get my waterline. And now for mascara, I'm just going to apply my double mix of my Blushsense VolumeIntense mascara in black, the waterproof and non-waterproof. The waterproof on my bottom lashes. It's crazy how much this stuff has made my lashes grow. Insane. Crazy, 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 crazy. All right, let's take this hair down and figure out what we're gonna do on my lips. All right, so I'm going to choose to do Cappuccino on my lips. It's a really nice, pretty nude color, and I'm going to finish it off with Opal Gloss. So I'll show you what that looks like in just a sec. Okay, so there you go. There's the finished look, and I'm obsessed with the eye. I think this might be my favorite eye yet. It is beautiful, it's gorgeous. Make sure to like my video and to subscribe below and to turn on notifications so that when I post more videos, you'll make sure to be notified. Yay! All right, so now I'm ready to go rock some grocery shopping with a pretty smoking eye, right? So have a wonderful day, and I will see you again soon. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.